them to link it to IB, which could take up to a full 24 hours or 48,
Okay.
whatever.
I'm not sweating it too bad because I'm leaving CMEG together so
Good
I can
morning,
trade
good morning,
if
good
it
morning,
starts
good
falling
morning, good
stuff on
morning.
Monday or Tuesday. And
Gotcha.
I can still trade with CMEG for next month. And then I'll just
Good,
take the shut on CMEG between the two. I figure I'll
good
make
morning.
$100. I don't care.
Good morning.
I don't care. I just sold my house and I need some money for rent.
Hey man, he
Well, I'm
put in the
debating
hard
actually
work.
leaving it, dude, just for fun. Like this could be like play money.
He put in the hard work. He deserves to talk like that.
Good morning, Blue Chips!
Hi,
It's
Steve.
Friday!
Hi,
'Cause
Steve.
it's Friday night.
And I'm feeling right.
No, it's not. It's Friday morning.
We'll be
You're
Friday
wrong.
night tonight.
You doing a stream tonight, Tim?
I am.
Hey, guess what? I'm not gonna be there.
Hey, Vesh, how was dinner?
Big surprise.
How was dinner? What'd you end up making for everybody? Give us the menu.
Chicken nuggets
For everybody?
for everybody.
I threw meatballs at him.
We have two different kinds. Sam's Club has those kind
Bastards.
that are supposed to kind of be like Chick-fil-A nuggets. I don't know if you've tried them. They're actually really good. They're not exactly like them, but they're pretty good. So I made those for me and Amanda, and then I made the dinosaur nuggets for the kids. And that was what we ate because I didn't feel like making dinner, and I didn't feel like hearing it, and I knew everyone would eat them, and that's so I made them.
Any
The only
side dish?
person that thinks
Side dish? What's that?
French fries.
Was there French fries, a salad, anything?
Nope.
Shit.
Ketchup.
Any
Ketchup.
nutritional value at all?
Ketchup. Tomatoes.
am I the only
Yes.
one that thinks Chick-fil-A is extremely overrated?
It's not
I
as good as
can't-
it used to be.
never had it.
I don't find Chick-fil-A to be that good.
So I don't find it. I don't find it to be like as crazy as everyone gets over it. But I'm a little surprised if Steve's telling the truth. Like you've never had it.
Not kosher.
It's not kosher.
That's true. Gotta live a little every once in a while, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with my time. I'm gonna
Live.
go have some chicken nuggets that you guys have already said aren't that great. That's what I'm gonna do. That's
Yeah,
No,
what I'm
they're
gonna do.
they're good, man. They're good.
I've been in enough trades where I've lived.
Their nuggets are the best fast food nuggets.
I disagree. I mean, I don't think you guys probably have Canes out there, but I like Canes over Chick-fil-A any day.
We do not have
Last time
Canes.
in Arizona, they had Carl's Jr.'s, and their chicken nuggets were really good.
You should go to Wegmans. Get some chicken nuggets from Wegmans.
Canes are good because it's from Louisiana. Any food from Louisiana is good.
I'm sorry. Yeah, and Louisiana,
Did you say
gotta go to
Canes?
Wegmans.
Yeah. Canes.
You guys have Canes out there?
Cane, Louisiana is where Canes started.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Absolutely.
No, but Canes is good. Canes is better than Chick-fil-A. Do you agree?
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Canes versus Chick-fil-A any day.
I only go to Chick-fil-A on Sundays.
The McDonald's.
Why do you?
You know how McDonald's like came out with their own chicken sandwich that's supposed to be like Chick-fil-A's, like it's got the pickle on it or whatever. But the McDonald's right next to our Chick-fil-A here, it's on their sign it says, "We serve chicken sandwiches on Sunday." That was pretty funny. Every time I see that, I laugh a little bit.
And we're open on Sunday. That's hilarious. 'Cause it's Friday night. Oh, what a night. Alright, guys, let's see what happens today.
I don't like the way anything looks.
I mean, ERYP is holding up for now, but that's looking like it could tank or it could jump. It can go either way.
Yeah.
Nice little. I mean, dude, it was 22 bucks in after hours. Did you see
We're
that?
back.
ERYP?
Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Thomas.
What happened?
That just spiked up to 22 bucks.
What happened?
That's crazy, I tell you. Crazy.
It's had a slight pullback.
It has.
Which is kind of a bad sign because it could just die. That's why that one I'm not like 100% sold on. I freaking missed the big move on this, like over 750. I clicked away and looked at another chart, came back, it was up at like 780 or something, and I'm like, I can't take it here.
We said we weren't going to talk about that.
Well, I already did. What you gonna do?
Eh?
What you gonna do?
Just like he was gonna stop looking at CLF.
And I look at it every day.
Just on one of those charts all the time.
Ooh, LC is up.
Yep. LC just spiked a little bit. 25-cent spike to say hello.
LC. LC, I'm not fully bearish on, but we'll see. Well, the fiance just brought me an Americano. This is why I'm marrying her.
That's pretty shallow.
Man, I love coffee.
She's like,
I
now
could bring
make
you
my
coffee,
money,
you'll marry
bitch.
me.
Dude, if you would bring me coffee every day, I would marry you.
Oh,
I'm
I'm on a flight.
I'm on the flight.
I'm already
I'm on the
driving.
way.
I'm already
That's just like I
driving.
already got the coffee in my hand.
Oh,
LC is a nice push-up, man.
it is.
Imagine getting to spend every night with Big D. That's exhausting.
No vibe.
It is. ERYP is also pushing up.
Oh, unlock.
And ERYP is kind of giving up. Let's see what that does, man. That one's kind of interesting to me. Hood getting the pop. What?
Get out of town.
That's what Charlie said.
I don't trust
He's-
Charlie.
Charlie
I
said
wouldn't
the
know.
hood, guys.
I wouldn't know.
All right, guys. Which one do I keep on watch for the bell? ERYP or LC?
Who cares? You're not trading off the bell anyway.
LC's value is like 136,000.
Oh crap! For the whole morning.
Yeah.
Alright, ERYP it is. Man, that $22 spike in after hours is kind of interesting.
I don't
Not
know.
saying
Hood
it's
is
gonna go
actually
back there,
Hood's
but
on watch for me. I'm gonna watch the hood.
Oh my god, where did that come from?
Oh,
Oh, that was TOS.
count time. LC.
LC dropped it.
LC not really dropping in.
That dropped 40 cents. Not a tremendous drop.
Everything's staying where it is. Wait for it.
shocker. Don't call
Good
them
luck,
all at once,
everybody.
boys.
Good luck, boys.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't think so.
ERYP pushing again. What's Teop doing?
Nothing.
TAOP?
Yes, TAOP is doing nothing.
Alright, ERYP's up, down, and all around.
LC would have been a nice short.
Then take it short, bro.
Nah, it's over.
Only got a 20-cent spread.
Still no volume in it.
UMC
Man,
Yojiko.
I'm gonna be patient, man. I think I'm kind of going back to my wait 5 minutes type deal. I used to wait 15, dude.
Yeah, but not by
I'd wait
choice.
15 minutes. No, I did it on purpose.
No, not now. I'm talking about today. You're gonna wait 5 minutes, but that's
Oh.
not your choice because there's nothing to
I know.
trade.
It's because I don't feel confident in anything right now.
And earnings
Gonna
yesterday.
wait for something to set up instead of trying to jump into something. URYP is trying to hold up here, but that's not a long term
Hey,
play.
you have short.
I don't
Pass and
think
less
so.
crazy. AHPI
Volume's
if you
low,
got
let's
M.
start coming in now.
Yeah, I just turned it on the other day.
Amazon's
Big-
on discount. Hey, Dev, you got the money. Why don't you go buy 10 shares of that?
And
Yeah, AHPI if you got them.
Yeah, don't
probably
have-
wouldn't be a bad bet.
What was the one you said, Thomas?
Amazon.
That was the one that I called
AHPI. No shorts.
ANVS if you got them. Low volume, but so
Hey, what?
Hey,
No, we obviously don't have it, no.
oh, it's SSR too. So
Any tickers that don't start with the letter A?
Nope. Dude, my gainer list right now, I just loaded my scanner. I literally have 3 tickers on it.
LMFA 4.70s.
seal
ERYP.
Only
NKLA,
90
if you got
KTV.
it. I mean, it's kind of pushing off the bottom here.
ERYP's making a little bit of a run now.
Oh my god, here we go again.
I'm gonna let it go hold, dude.
I don't even know how to get out of this.
CLF just spiked 40 cents.
How do I don't even understand how I'm doing
That's
this.
your attitude.
That's
ERYP's
Lee
about to hold.
Huge
LC's
Where-
going up again.
You see LC's gone? ERYP hold.
Get in?
Oh.
Don't understand
SPR
how that happens.
going up.
What do I think about this one?
We don't have shorts on that. It's SSR too.
God, this ERYP is so sloppy.
Works up.
Alright, man.
Steel's trying a little something something.
Oh, X had earnings last night.
Oh. Doesn't really look like. Oh, do they
I
like
just
break
remember
even?
seeing that. I remember hearing Charlie say X was after hours.
The hood is going for all-time lows.
All-time lows, that's a big deal.
All time.
Oh my goodness.
It is as far away from the high as it has ever been.
Oh my goodness, look at that thing go.
Macy's is making a little move. Bigger company,
Oh
obviously.
my goodness, guys, this is amazing.
And Macy's.
Yeah,
Amazon's getting more of a discount.
TAL is running too.
Who is?
TAL. Tal.
Oh.
a lot of big companies again moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, TAL,
Short some, but
M as well. Macy's is kind of doing the same thing. Watching works, WRX. I'd like to see that up near 250.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Works in.
There's a party in my tummy. So yummy, so yummy.
Oh my god. Someone's in a mood today.
Damn, you got there quick, Tim.
You already posted a meme?
That song is hilarious.
No, he's saying I got to your house quick.
Oh, a good one. That's a good one, Thomas.
That was a good one. Hence me and Jag were laughing.
Market sucks, but you made me giggle.
Steel about to break the high from yesterday.
CLF with the jump, huh?
Yeah.
Why I still have that on watch? I don't know, but I do.
The only way I'd be interested in this is if it
Yeah,
ran right to
staring at
23
LC like
or
right
27.
today.
Sorry. That's where the next nice line on the hourly is.
I just bought a share of Amazon.
One share.
Yeah, one share.
That's all you need, man.
Baller.
One share of my IRA account. See what happens.
I mean, it's only at all-time highs. It's not like it can go anywhere else.
We'll see.
Look at Macy's. I don't know. Spy, I guess because the SPY is going straight the F up at the moment.
Look at that. I'm up 60. $8. $8 a share.
Empty.
I'm up $10 a share in this already.
LC is very tempting.
Damn, yeah, it is.
I thought I already checked this. Oops. Does not work.
Does it work through its highs? I mean, it's just like, dude, I'm going back up to my highs from yesterday. What up? Alright, I'm not just gonna jump into that. I'm gonna be patient.
I wanted like this 30 and that was
Just a little patience. Yeah, your YP still halted?
it should be coming out any second.
Work 7M float for what it's worth.
Imbalance is 945, so it's right there. Oh, it died.
Your YP?
Yeah, out of the halt, it dropped 50, 60 cents so far.
I kinda got it. I
It's
got
in a halt.
negative feelings on that.
It dropped $1. It's halted.
Perfect.
Oops.
That would have been a nice short.
Kind of grindy.
Yeah, no one's got shorts.
Ooh, Steel took a dive.
Have none of us taken a trade?
I have
did.
not. Yes. Damn.
You and your one trade of one share of Amazon.
Did you get that off of Wall Street Bets today? Amazon?
Is there a ticker? AMZN. Damn, they had some pretty bad earnings.
Who?
Amazon.
Did they?
I mean, they're down $300.
Earnings.
Man, that's like 2 cents for Amazon.
3,600 to 3,300.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, they're down
like
they're down
a
8%.
regular stop dropping a buck or two.
They're down
Alright.
8%.
Look at this LC, bro.
I know.
It's 7.7%.
Oh,
What is this
LC.
thing gonna do? Up over yesterday's highs, bro.
Oh, I ain't in it.
Looking for the 250 pop on works.
I guess it would have been a good short. Top
Yeah,
there.
Jack. You don't want that 70 cents, dude.
No.
That's a horrible trade.
That is
Right
not
back up there in a heartbeat.
not what I was
Yeah,
looking
that
for.
was scary.
Not even halfway through that candle.
And the spread gets crazy. Actually, the spread's not bad right now, though. But
Looking for like an actual pop.
And 5 cents, 6 cents right now.
That AHPI is going crazy.
I gotta wait for that to set.
I'm surprised it hasn't even. I'm surprised it hasn't halted.
yeah, really.
This works is starting to get grindy. Yeah, AHPI. I'm just saying for the move it's made so far, I'm surprised it hasn't halted. It's about to rotate its float too. 3 million. Starting to not like how grindy this is.
If VNet had any
Start it a
volume,
little bit smaller if I do get
doesn't,
in.
So it's not.
There was no like FOMO pop there. It was just a push through, and now it's just still grinding.
It's freaking LC, dude. The spread's just messing me up a little bit.
Possibly.
Just jumped to like 15 cents, 20 cents, and then back down to 8.
This thing is really struggling here. It's just grinding. But you start to pay attention to the price action, you can tell it's going up easier than it's going down, right? So we're waiting. We need to see that FOMO pop, or we're just not interested. At this point, it's just grinding higher, right?
No, I'm short some works, do we?
Waiting for ask. Right now, it's just ask bid, ask bid. Just more on the ask than the bid.
Works reduced.
Or just looking for that pop. And we just ain't getting it. But you can see, I mean, you can tell, like, I mean, look how much that tried to get shoved down, and it just got bought right back up. Obviously not saying it can't flush, but I mean, it's just that's the definition of a grinder.
Damn. $20 a share on Amazon.
Oh, I
You
forgot to
lost
ask.
20.
Anybody,
I'm up $20 a share.
Oh, nice.
I have 1 share.
anybody short hood yesterday?
No.
No.
It's at all-time lows.
Bro.
Macy's is still going up.
M?
Yep.
Yeah, it got up to that.
Like crazy.
Yeah, it got into that double top from the highs yesterday and kind of consolidated. This is, I don't understand. It's like, to me, this isn't extended enough to add back like B did, but I mean, obviously he is better than I. But to me, we're too close to VWAP and the moving average there out of the 9. I mean, granted, we are looking for a final test back down here at 220, so I could see that. But the way that it's been trading, how grindy it's been, and it's been easier to go up versus go down, I would have no desire to add in this close to everything. Because it never had that FOMO pop, so at this point, to me, this is just a grinder. The only, I mean, if I really was craving a trade here, I'd be looking for this to bounce, maybe try to go through 250, fail, and then you can see the support that formed here at 242. I'd be looking to get in on that break of 242 to the short side. But I mean, I mean, it's not a trade for me at this point.
I'm back up.
This?
TAL.
Obviously, I hope it works. I hope it just goes straight to 220. We have some ISW guys in it. But just telling you why I have no interest in it. It's not, to me, that's not a high probability play. Yeah. Oh my, I can't type this morning apparently.
I should have shorted LC.
Tal still moving.
I was gonna short it there on that retest and the 25-20s. Oh, I should have shorted LC.
Here's the break of 242. See what it does here at the VWAP and the moving averages. There's definitely a sign of no volume coming in there. Nobody wanted to. Nobody was interested in bringing it back up.
I don't trust that stock.
But if we can't get through,
Scares me.
VWAP and the averages, especially on lower volume, it's not a great sign.
pee real fast before I phone my window. LC, I'll be back.
If volume starts to come back in though, and it starts to get bought back up, that's
Taking more
definitely not a
upwards.
good sign.
Not ready yet.
Guess I'll keep Macy's up here. Still waiting for, I mean, that's a huge co. $5 billion market cap, but plenty of shares to borrow. Just waiting for some crazy move there. I don't even really know where we'd want it to. Little line here at 1750. Another line. 1760. Another line here, 1784. Definitely one here at 18. So, I mean, if it wants to run up through 1750, I think we'd be interested up closer to 18. There we go. We got works trying. There we go. There it is.
Works $.
Nice little flush there. You can see a lot of volume coming in there. A lot of people stopping out. But that's a good sign of a possible reversal as well.
LC.
At 25.
Did you get in it?
Just means there's a lot of buying pressure. If a lot of the volume starts coming in at the bottom of a candle and it stops going down, it's usually a sign that it's going to try to bounce.
It's another big company though. That's the only drawback. 623 million float.
Out all works.
Wow. This is not the open I was hoping for today. I was hoping to finish the week nice and strong. RRC, another huge co. Come on, works, break. Just because I say there's a sign of a bounce doesn't mean I want it to. Brian is all out of it now, but I think David's still, I'm assuming he probably has leftovers. So we wanted to dump right to that 220. That's what I'd be looking for. If I was trying to trade leftovers, I'd definitely be looking for that. This Macy's is just trucking.
Yeah. Should have longed it.
Yeah, for real. Hold on, let me go back in my guru time machine.
Oh, dude, did they issue a Guru time machine already?
Yeah. All I gotta do is pull up my Microsoft Excel, and
Dope.
it's in there. It's a unlock achievement.
Awesome.
Your MS Paint.
Proud of you.
This is not fake.
This is real. Wow, Macy's, this is a big, huh? Oh. Okie dokie, artichoke.
Hello.
Yeah,
Industrial spray? That one. Perfect. Thank you so much. No problem.
See you left with a grinding up.
A lot of grinders, man. TAL.
I know.
Macy's.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold this long position all day, guys. Posted my chart in the posted the chart.
Oh man, great entry.
Yeah, it's pretty clear entry there.
Yeah, break of that resistance over at 17.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty easy.
Clear, dude.
Yeah.
Good way to follow the system.
Thanks, man. Good entry. I'm proud of it.
A quarter, I say.
No
Yeah, I might actually just look to hold this long term. Look for all-time highs.
That's a pretty good little triangle you got there, though.
It's a little slanted, but
I'm gonna have a phone number. That one worked. Drop the right number. That one in there? Alright. That's okay. Exactly. It all adds up to something. It's
Everything on the scan's an end to borrow for me.
thank you, you too. This cloud's gotta go away though. I'm hoping. Right. Take a good or you?
Didn't GDP go $44 YOLO long on Hood yesterday?
did he?
Tim, wasn't he saying that in your stream?
I don't think so.
He did. It did not work out well. Feel good? You went,
No, I'm actually up in LC. I jumped in that short on that retest high.
So you're in at like 40, 30, 30, something like that?
No, my average is 22. 20, yeah. Which somehow below you up here, but drop. Come on. If this, okay.
Oh, I looked. I think he was joking.
I
He says,
was
"Okay,
afraid
now
to
risk
do
all on
that.
44 Hood long after
I
them
saw
this
pre-market,
afternoon."
nothing moving.
Oh, he was just. I gotcha. I do remember him saying that.
Just got screwed on that.
Well, yeah, 690 to 95 was great.
ARDX $2 holla.
You went long, Devin?
Short.
Oh, okay.
MRIN's trying.
You're about to hear something you guys haven't heard in
MRIN
like
up.
2 weeks. No, that's not it.
I hate double tops. I hate double tops. I hate double tops.
Oh, God.
Oh,
I just took it off. I got
Tim's
gold
gonna
left.
double top.
Come on. Come on. Come on. No. No.
I should have held it.
Probably another low
I was
volume
just, I
earnings
wanted the
play.
goal so bad.
Carrot started.
Come on.
I needed that for my
Come on.
freaking ego.
You getting a handy over there, Tim?
I'm trying to give MRIN a handy to go higher.
Dang, I got gold.
good.
Oh my God, it's been so long. I swear to God.
No. Damn it.
Deal up spiked again a little bit.
AHPI, this thing is weird.
Yeah, the halt price was a little too far away to start it at the double top for me. It was up at over 750. I really thought we were going to get the spike there through.
Dollar on way.
Looks like they just
What's
ate up
that
the
called?
liquidity.
Hold VWAP and rip up? Or does it die?
PRYP.
Sad face miss on MRIN.
Yeah, I really, every part of me wanted to hit the button there, but I was like, this is not a good spot. This is not a good spot.
Grinders.
Everything's grinding.
I started visualizing the future
Never give
on
up.
that one. Because like if I get in there at 720, and it doesn't work, it just looks like the dumbest entry ever.
Now, if Tesla
Oh
were
yeah,
to make
you're
a
720,
690
then
move, I could give it a
pretty much
small
hitting it
stab.
again at the halt, and now you're two ads in.
Exactly.
Yes, he's back.
IVP up.
Yeah, he's back.
Switch methods to the way somebody else does.
Yeah.
Ad infinitum.
That big fast move though, not the grind.
I was actually really surprised he did what he did on Works. He stopped out some at the high. I don't know if he stopped out all of it, or I think he said he reduced. Yeah, he said he reduced.
Your boy.
Yeah, I guess maybe he had a little bit too much size for his liking if it did actually run through the $0.50. But unfortunately for him, it did not.
Guys, the Plitter's back.
Guess who's back? Plitter's back.
Guess who's back?
We traded that one for a while.
Back at the time. Yeah, look at the blitz.
Oh, it's gonna halt.
Yeah, I think it
Oh.
should be that.
What are you looking at?
Yeah, like oh,
Amazon.
AHPM.
Ah, that's the one that I was just talking about. I think that's gonna go maybe right above 9 and be a short if you got him, Tim. HPI.
What is it? HPI?
AHPI.
We don't have him. MRIN trying to go back for the eyes. A little spready now.
If the daily's anything, that's probably gonna die after 9.
Look at the haul price on MRIN, 777.
MRIN.
Yeah.
You gotta do that.
I
Better
mean,
than 666.
I'm getting a starter at 777 if it goes right there.
You got it, bro.
I put it in. It's there. It's ready.
I'll put it in, boys.
If there's ever a sign in the market that's saying get into a trade, that's it.
Ooh, look at this freaking LC, dude. That probably would have been a great short right up there at 25.40-ish.
So what
That
are you
a
shorting?
little bit further
Because
here.
I wasn't watching it. I
Why
wasn't
weren't you
watching it.
You've been watching it
I was
all
watching.
morning.
I was watching AHPI.
APT's extending a bit. Looks like we might have missed it though.
Yeah, no, have it, yeah. That would be a good short. If you got them.
Short him if you got him, boys. Short him if you got him. Charlie. My name's Charlie.
APT.
Oh, dude, I hate it when this happens. That when I'm right over
Maybe
goal,
missed the move.
because now I'm afraid to lose.
Yeah, what was
It's
you?
better than being 4 cents under goal.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Vesh.
True that. That doesn't bother me anymore, to be honest. It used to bother the crap out of me. No, I'll say something. I'm just making fun though when I do. APT was actually kind of volume out of nowhere. I mean, it was building up, you know, to a breakout, but it was interesting spike there.
Oh my god. Damn, I wish Amazon wasn't so expensive. I would have bought more.
Aren't you down?
I'm up $40.
Oh, you're up. How much that drop, dude? I will not be trading that.
It's a no-go on MRIN.
suppose I could
Hill.
also jump in with a share.
Coming in with the Prime subscription.
Just one share, and
Thank you very much.
it'll go to
Shaggy.
4,000 at some point.
There you go. I'm just gotta be.
His name on the board.
All you
Subscriber
need
number 2 on the channel.
AHP.
This candle,
Thank
this
you very
candle.
much. He no longer has to watch ads.
What are you watching? Snoop, Shaggy, Shag.
ERYP.
What's that?
Thinking it
Old
might
review out still?
thinking it might run here, yeah. It's at 875.
Want me to mod you?
Just not sure.
Modded you. Mod.
It'll
You are
work when
modded.
I start the day and a consolidation. That literally started just consolidating. It's up, down, down. It's forming a flag.
Yeah.
Formed the flag, I should say.
You can't hear me?
Behind it, yeah, it really gets going over 9. And I would agree.
Hello?
Let me
Hi.
check.
All right. Well, I'm just saying hello to say goodbye, guys.
Working on mine.
Have a great weekend, everybody.
Later, man.
Thank you, Steve.
Bye.
Hold on, let me watch APC.
I like when he cuts out ads going out saying teaching.
Volatility.
And you'll be left with that until Monday. You don't know what he was gonna say, and we never will.
Yeah,
I don't think I'm a mod on your
jump.
YouTube channel.
What's
Right
that?
there since like
In RYP.
ERYP. Not it's just a
And
little jump.
GR. Yeah. LC's probably about to make me look stupid.
Am I? I don't think so. I
Yep,
think I used
there
to
it
be back in the
goes.
day, and then when I decided to do smart things and blow everything up, then it went away. Let me check.
There it goes. There it goes.
An LC.
Yep.
Nope.
It's a 3-bar play on a 5-minute.
Yeah,
Was it?
I'm not. Look at that.
Oh yeah. What to the downside?
What a liar.
Could have made some
that's
really
my
good money
fault.
there, dude, if I would have just got in at that 25, 30 somewhere.
TSLA up.
Yeah, but the
Checking
fid
down on
line
that.
is at 25.13.
I guess we're all set now, aren't we?
Sorry, I'll shut up.
I know. I mean, it wasn't not my fault.
I'm gonna shoot you
It
in
was
the
kind of my
face.
fault.
In the face, DT.
Try again.
What else is moving, man?
Oh, look, now I got a wrench.
That's not for me. Let's see. Could Tesla be something I trade? Oh man, that's a little. I'm getting a little cray with the $600 stocks. I don't know if I'm ready for that.
I don't know. If you're gonna go into a fight, do you want to take a
300
wrench or do you wanna
maybe.
take a sword?
And the hundreds definitely.
Not ready to trade
600.
1,000 shares of Amazon?
Yeah.
They traded up, Pete. $500 in 3 minutes.
I know,
One and
right?
done.
I saw that video.
I just want to trade. I'm pretty sure you do
That's all
too.
he trades.
Tesla.
Yeah, he's constantly shorting Tesla.
Yeah, you're dodging a wrench.
Ooh,
they don't
Michael
practice
Berry.
dodging a
Carrot
sword
hand.
because they know the sword's gonna
Clay
dominate.
Clay
Oh,
They all- like even if you get hit by a wrench,
videos
you
always have the
survive.
same
EHR.
tag and everything.
he's hard to watch.
polished video that's been edited,
Yeah, every time.
voiceover. This is not the video for you.
Maybe somebody less spastic.
It's
And then
not a
it's all
matter.
time, but
It's not a matter of if I'm gonna make money. It's a matter of how much I'm gonna make.
Just want one trade. I'll
So I hate when he says that.
thought
I want to
process
hit
of a day
my
trader.
special lights,
This is the
my
video for
special
you.
effects that I got set up for the day. That is just ridiculous. Once we close with a green week today, that's the plan.
I mean, I think Clay's the actual trader. It's the only thing I will give him. Once I think he really.
He completely changed his trading style, though.
He did.
AEHR,
He trades more like
big
me.
move there, but
Yeah.
concerned about it.
He went from trading more like me to more like you. And I think that had a lot to do with he started bringing in a lot of money from his courses, and the way that he's trading now is a lot less risky.
Spready for a
Yeah,
freaking $5 stock.
Yeah, he used to trade exactly like you. It was extreme moves.
Oh yeah, but he was very uncapped on the risk too. And I think that he probably took a huge loss, and that's probably why he switched.
He had to readjust.
Yeah. That would be my guess. Watching MRIN again, by the way. Yeah.
ERYP Jaggedy, and that might be making its move. I know it's not looking like anything now, but
MRIN up
could
again.
get in the break it needed.
MRIN.
If comes in here. Either that. I mean, that literally just broke above that little trend.
7.77, please.
But volume ain't coming in.
EPT was
Nope.
probably the opportunity
That's a
there.
bad sign.
Just saw it a minute late.
That's a bad sign. It might crash right here, dude.
$50 on way.
Get ready for the dump down. Here it goes.
Making a
Come
nice
on,
move
just dump
right
down.
now, though.
If it doesn't dump down right here, then I don't like it at all, because I don't know what it's going to do. Because to me, that is a horrible sign.
TSLA dollar on way.
LI?
Yeah, that 9 is like guitar string height. It's straight
Yeah.
up.
mRNA, a
Alright.
little bit of a move.
Oh wow, look at that.
Nope.
Have to see that push the
Yeah,
highs
that's right
again.
into previous resistance here.
That's got some kind of algo going there.
I was ready on Tesla.
Yeah, right. 3464.
And it just didn't get quite to my
That is a huge company. Probably some kind of algo for sure. MRIN! What the F? Like every time this thing tries to go, it just like doesn't go that extra amount that you need it to go.
Yeah, makes that little tiny move.
Especially like with the daily being poopy and all that stuff, like you just can't chance it.
Can't jump in that.
Got the freaking trade ITP.
Due to the fact that with fees I'm about $5 over goal. I've gotta, it's gotta be A+ here. Or I just gotta take my goal and say thank you, stock market.
I think it's that kind of day, brother. I think it's that kind of day.
Yep.
I was literally just
Please straight
talking
up.
to David about this last night.
Hello.
Cash is a position.
Yeah, I mean that's why I'm saying when I get over goal on a crap day, it's
But grindy and huge
becomes
co.
very protective.
AXL, possibly. I don't.
Who is it?
AXL.
Sell off.
Hey, I got shorts.
AXL up.
It's a bigger company.
Maybe
Kind of volume out of nowhere, too. Be careful of that.
But kinda, it is.
Earnings.
Apparently, it's earnings. Okay, did they do earnings midday like this?
Maybe it was just a late move on earnings. Didn't move
Earnings
up.
this morning at 8 o'clock.
Interesting.
NIO also up.
Mine says, oh, that's the surprised. Up 1,800%.
Jesus.
HPI, what you gonna do? You're gonna die. Oh,
Hang on.
there you go. Hey,
Hang on.
ERYP did it.
What? Oh, it died.
ERYP did what I said it was gonna do.
Yeah.
Yeah, just when you see it break over trend line, but no volume comes in, it's a bad sign. You know, like that was the moment.
Where's that?
I'm lost.
Your NIO
Have a good
moving
day.
today, Momo.
Could you please keep it down?
Testing the lows. But babe, I made goal. Aren't you proud of me?
Praise me.
Special kids.
You got to praise me like I should.
You know how like when you're teaching a dog, they either respond to two things, either treats or praise. I think Devin's definitely the praise kind of dog.
Oh, I am.
Just
I'm
wag,
a praise dog.
shakes and wags.
Yeah.
Just pat him on the head.
I think people are similar in this area. We have some. You know,
I agree.
Kinda interested in
Yeah,
rogue
you
It's
trader.
the love languages.
Yeah, it's the love languages. That stuff was real.
I agree. Mine's physical touch.
Is it
Yeah.
mine? But I can't remember them all. There was gifts, physical touch, words of affirmation.
That's my wife's.
I think mine are words of affirmation too. I like to hear good job or thanks. Or,
Yeah, a lot of people like that.
Hey Devin, good job today.
hey, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Isn't that nice? You get to say goodbye to your fiance every morning.
It is nice.
One day you'll be like, get the fuck out!
I'm trading.
Can't you see what I'm doing?
Do you remember the days you used to bring you coffee in the morning?
He brought me.
Oh, because it's so true. You've been through it twice before. You know what's coming.
I don't know. We'll see, man. I mean,
Well, I didn't mean to like that extent, but I'm just saying like things die off when you get married. It's just how it happens.
was a lot like
Inevitability.
They may have been going out for 5 years, but they just moved in with each other, so it's revitalized.
The first time was a lot the way you describe yours, you know, in every way. You know what I mean?
I hope not, but I've been through it billions of times.
Been through billions.
Many times.
Oh yeah, I got you, Dem. Sorry, I got up to get water. The thing is, if you're not, it comes down to how much work you're willing to put into it. Because it does become work at some point, and if you're not willing to put the work in, then
Thank you guys for all the support.
Good job, Devin.
Jeez, Devin, why don't you just turn around and tell the teacher quicker?
I go, the guys are telling me how all this love is gonna die. She goes, thanks for the support.
I did say I hope not, but
That is clearly not what we were saying.
I was just thinking.
1.60s.
Jag's like, I just don't say it out loud because I already know what's gonna happen.
I don't know. We'll see how it goes, man. I think it's like you just said. I agree. I think it's a lot of work to keep it somewhat there. You know, It just does
Yeah.
take a lot of work from both sides.
There's gonna be something. I don't know what it is.
No,
Yeah,
and I
and
know
it's
that, and I know
yeah,
that.
and it's gonna test
And-
you, and it depends on how bad you guys want to work for it.
Oh,
That
I mean, honestly, I don't tell you guys about my relationship normally, but we've had those tests already. Like some of them, where it was like, God, I don't know if I want to do this. Where we got in a big fight over the kids or over how to raise the kids or something, and it was like, I'm leaving, I'm fucking out of here. I don't know if I want to do this.
I will beat my kids if I want to.
After I calm down, I'm like, okay, I can kind of see her point. I'm like, can you see my point? And but that's where we're good. We're good at communicating after the fact.
That's
With it,
literally,
do that.
yeah,
It's helpful.
yeah. Literally everything about any relationship ever is all about communication.
Yeah, and
If
like
you,
in the moment, we might not be the best, like when there's the heated emotions, but after the fact, if we, and that's where I've learned to walk away. Like I'll be like, all right, I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna take a walk. I'll take the dog out.
Ooh, look at that.
I'm going
flashing
somewhere.
Tesla.
Then I come back and I've calmed down. She's calmed down. I'm like, hey, okay, here's what I was saying. MRI.
was it actually gonna try? Now that it's
HPI,
getting a little crowded.
Dude, I don't trust the HPI where it's at, bro. For long.
Come on, I just
If
want
I had shorts, I
one
would
trade.
be more biased
I
that
don't
way.
care if it's a small one.
I'd short it right now. I
Go.
would be short this.
Trade.
Go.
This is gonna have a quick flush to 850.
Which one?
I think HPI is gonna get
Autofilled.
flush.
It's got a lot of resistance up
I
to
think
10.
it's gonna drop right down to the 20, or maybe just underneath, and then go back up.
Yeah, that's why I said 50 or so. 850.
Yeah.
That attempted the breakout and then shut back
MRIN.
down. That's always a good sign for a
MRIN.
short.
Two cents away.
Eiger? EIGR? Yeah.
Did it do anything?
No volume, and we don't shorts.
Damn, it's 2 cents away there.
Oh,
Dollar on
LC.
way.
Shit.
Well, market certainly sort of doing that. Didn't quite close the gap.
FYTSLA. Suck.
Coming right back down now.
Miss again.
What did we get? 85. I just don't want to let this go back against because we missed it just barely.
74. In my car?
Had it at 61.
Order cancelled.
Damn.
Order filled.
That's frustrating. Missed it by 2 cents. I had it at 61. I lowered it to 58 and missed it by 2 cents. See if we can get the 8 pop. We'll get back in. That's so frustrating. 2 cents.
Yeah, that was a very nice move. Congrats on your money.
And it's going to fake us out. That's so frustrating. I mean, we got the pullback. We just didn't get it. We were right or a little too low. I was going to take half off and I didn't. Should have. Wouldn't have really mattered too much, to be honest, because we were pretty small. But I really thought this might go up through 8. That was finally the pop we were looking for. I should have hit it again when it got up towards 8, and I thought about it, but I was hoping it went through 8. No, it's just kind of grinding. Look, the 9's already catching up to it. It's already up to that previous resistance. So now we would definitely want to see a bigger pop up through 8. Plus now we're about halfway rotated. Ah, it's so frustrating. I missed it by 2 cents. That's how it seems to work. Started a little smaller, so we got a little greedy. But we couldn't just get out even when we were only 2 cents down because there was like a 7-cent spread. So we had to kind of hope it broke that 60, which it looks like it didn't even print 60. So technically we missed it by 4 cents. But you guys saw the bid was on 60. It just never went through. Or it never printed, I should say. It looks like it's about to, though. Ah! That's frustrating. I mean, we weren't wrong. It did go back up and test the highs. We were hoping it would go through, break through 8, and we would have got back in here, but it's still holding. 61, went 1 penny. Just couldn't get that extra little bit of selling pressure to get us our fill. It happens. But you see, we took it off. Still in the green. Just frustrating. I actually saw it pop up. The ask was 785 when I got in, or got out, but I guess I hit it like right before it jumped.
What they're doing.
Looking at that chart on Discord, it almost looks like a long.
Oh, yours?
Yeah, for some reason the green arrow looks a little bit to the left of the red arrow, but it's not. It was green. I missed my, I had an order at 58 and it went to 60. It says it only went to 62, but 60 was on the ask, but it never printed. So I guess technically I missed it by 4 cents, but we just couldn't get that last little selling pressure push. And I guess that makes me feel better because I had my original order at 61 and that wouldn't have got filled either. I would have been sitting there like, the bid went through me, but in reality, nothing printed. It's so frustrating. And there it is. Fuck you.
Dude, say what you really mean.
MRIN $. Samsies. Who's Sam?
Good job, good job. I wasn't about to miss my take profit by 2 cents and then let it go high of day on me. I wanted to get back in, but I wanted it to go through 8. That was just a annoying ticker, man. It's been annoying this whole time. It's like we've wanted it to go, it finally went, and then that BS.
Are we supposed to rub your back or say good job? I forgot.
Me?
Yeah.
You're supposed to say you're just supposed to say FUMRIN. That's all. I'm good.
You got a
yeah, no, you
out of it, man.
you can
I
come.
lost $4 on locating shorts on APD and completely missed it. So
I mean,
I'm red on the day technically.
I'll take a shoulder massage.
What's that?
You're supposed to tell him he is God.
Yes, that 100%.
He's got to do the touch, you know. He's
Yeah, a shoulder massage, man. But I like that. I like the words of affirmation, like as you're doing the physical touch, you know.
Oh, come on, dude.
Yeah, man. I'm a combo kind of guy.
Bonus round incoming.
Yeah, I'm like 80% physical touch, 20% words of affirmation.
I want you to touch my wiener while saying, "Oh God, you're the best."
No, I just want my dick in your mouth and you're saying, "Oh, this tastes good." Oh, this tastes so good. Oh, we have issues.
Feels like a Vienna sausage.
You have been demonetized.
I know you just showered, but this not taste good.
0.5x rotated.
He speaks from experience.
Why is she talking like that with 2 inches in her mouth?
Oh no, you got practice, don't you?
Yeah, I know. They can normally talk so easily. Like, hey, yeah, this is really good. This is wonderful.
I gotta return this screen.
Mouthful. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Yeah, something like that.
Peter Piper picked a pickle peppers. Sally collects seashells by the seashore.
Yeah.
Wrong words of affirmation, bitch.
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Hold your tongue out with your fingers and try to say apple.
Do what?
Hold your tongue out, the tip of your tongue, pull it out of your mouth. So you're holding your tongue and try to say apple.
Apple. Apple. Apple. Apple. You just gotta close your mouth onto your tongue.
Apple.
Apple.
Who are you hanging out with?
Apple.
Apple.
Do you have a bouncy castle in your backyard?
Can we come over and play?
Nicely off the bottom there.
I'll jump in your castle.
Oh, it's that kind of day. That kind of day.
What the childhood memories?
Childhood memories.
We are man-child. That's like my 5-year-old. They're doing like kindergarten get-togethers, like meetups before the school session starts. I guess so they can kind of see who they're going to be in school with. And this last time, they brought a bunch of jump ropes for the kids, and they all started, like, my kids started trying to tie me up with them. And then all of a sudden, like, all the kids that were there, like, I'm talking 10 plus kids, were all trying to tie me up. And I'm just like literally pulling these jump ropes, like I'm letting them tie me up, and then I'm like pulling the jump ropes and like picking them up and like putting them down on the ground. And on the Facebook group where they like organize all this, someone was like, just wanted to give props to the dad that had to go through all that. And I was like, yo, I'm just a 5-year-old in an adult body. It's like, it's good. I was in my zone.
I was 100% sure you were going to say there was a picture of you power slamming a 5-year-old.
That would have been great. There definitely could have been one. That's for sure. Because I definitely did power slam some kids. All right, watching MRIN again. It's getting a little dangerous, however. It's getting close to rotating.
Yeah, I didn't like it before, and I'm not liking it now.
Oh, I'm talking like if it like pops through 850 here. Might be a little interested. I'd be a little interested. There was a definite jiggle there in the low 20s. But it wasn't really like a huge pop either, so.
APRN can push a little bit higher here.
I think it was Joe Rogan and Ari Shaffir. They were talking about like how many 10-year-olds would it take to bring down a grown man. And they were talking about the numbers, you know, if it was just
Yeah.
all out.
With the jump ropes, it'd be a lot easier.
Yeah, like how many 10-year-olds do you think you could take out
Yeah, Final
before they
Fantasy
just
soon. I'm
got
gonna
you?
have to call it a day. I gotta go pick up my daughters.
Funny part is I vaguely remember that conversation.
Depends how old you are.
And Joe Rogan's like, oh, I could take out like 30.
Just knock them out.
Just destroy them.
Rogan's like, I ain't having any sympathy on these little bastards.
That's what it was.
Order filled.
You watching, Jag?
Started this actually. I should have checked the. We have plenty of shares.
Almost pull back.
Yeah.
Pull back below VWeb. I don't know, man. I think that's dead, dude. Looking at that daily.
This thing can move now, so being very extra careful here.
What do I
Apron
know?
up.
I'm stupid. Just a dumb boy.
Dumb boy.
I really wanted to get in near the high 40s, but I really wanted to see if it would just blow through 50 there.
Yep.
Just looking for the 8 retest. Struggling. There we go. Nothing special here. Just figured it would try to retest the 8.
Yeah, I didn't pull it up when he first mentioned it either.
32 is where we're at.
MRIN dollar.
Did you guys ever see that video?
That makes me nervous when he said dollar.
Dollar.
I was really expecting it
APRN 87
right there.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
tempo
yeah.
all 5-year-olds.
When Steve said the direction as you are, I'm like, oh shit.
It's definitely trying. We'll not be adding to this unless it goes to 50. Nine's catching back up to it again. It is using it, so definitely got to pay attention to it. Ooh, look at that jump up there. Is it 810? Just looking for that flush to test 8. Just can't get it. Keeps getting to like 17. Do you think we could get a nice little flush though if we get down there? Because I think it's just gonna go straight through. Let's see. Or we were at 809, so let's see how this one's gonna bite us. If it does come down here. Watching the 9, how it reacts to it, because it's been holding it so far. This is also a cut at the highs as well. At this point, it's tried to pull back a little too many times. If it would have went through right up there, I would have been interested in letting it go for a sec, but not now. So we're looking for the big pullback for the 8 test and then through, or cut at highs is essentially the plan. Here we go. All right, what have got filled? 809.
Anything, Jag?
Let's see if we can get the 8 test.
Long and strong.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm long.
Looking for the
dollar on way.
the 9 attempt here. There we go. There we go. Come on. Get through. Looking for more of a flush there. All right. We'll just take it there.
Dollar.
I was really expecting if we got the flush through to get that extra push, and we just didn't get it. I don't know how low did it go? 96. Yeah, that's okay. Not a bad trade. I got a little lower, 7 cents lower. I was really expecting if it broke 8 to get that extra flush, and it just didn't do it. And here it comes. It tried to bounce right off the 9 again. Nah, it's fine. I lowered it to 89. We'll see if it gets there.
Yeah.
So far, it would have missed me by 4 cents. I got 802. Not
MRIN
upset.
####.
I'm more sad I didn't get my fill in the first one because I had the actual size. That time I wasn't a huge fan of it, and we were before the $half, so I went half size. This could be a long if it tries to reclaim again. Devin.
What's that?
MRIN.
Pound.
MRIN.
Yeah, it's close to rotating. If it just
It just did rotate. Yeah.
Is that more than $1?
NDI popping a little bit here.
Not sure what's going on with it.
Yeah, a little volume out of nowhere.
KNDI up. Vaughn.
$624, 200 daily. Really don't see anything until that point.
This couldn't continue the move. Story of the day.
Go, baby. Go, baby. Goog.
What was that one I had up here? AXL.
APRK81KTVPSA.
Bottom type trades.
APRN.
Not a daily.
Asterisk.
Only assuming nobody got AVXL. Look at that chart. That would have been nice. Or AXL, sorry. Not AVXL. AXL.
Oh yeah, we were looking at that one earlier.
Yeah, I pulled it up. I
Had
just
shorts on, yeah.
never got in.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's nuts.
I made a mistake.
yeah, I don't know why I didn't get into that one. There was a reason.
Vaughn. And it was a quick pop through 50 and came right back through.
Yeah, I think by the time I got it up, it was already down.
KND
Yeah.
on lunch money.
What you'll do, Jag? What is the problem here?
I wanted to cover
Well-
75% and I covered the whole thing.
Where are you taking me?
Was it green?
Yeah, it's green.
Okay, no problem here. You shut up now. No problem.
It's gonna go well.
You shut up now.
I shut up now.
If you think it go higher, why you get out at all?
Because I wanted to cover some. Because I was scared.
You scared. Over here in Russia, we don't get scared. We just drink more vodka. Mike Lafferty, what's up, man? Thanks for the sub. Appreciate that. Little something to go into what a slow day.
Alright, everybody, so that looks like it's going to do it for me on the week. Unfortunately, didn't get any trades in today. It's a double no trade week, but we're going to celebrate the green week anyway. So here we go. We got the lights flashing. We're getting ready to head out out here. I appreciate you guys getting me to an affiliate today or yesterday. I appreciate the subs from Jackie Hill and Volatility Trading. Hopefully you have a great
What
week,
was it?
a great finish to your trading. We're going to get it, and let's enjoy it.
Try again.
Go, go.
You go.
I need to get some better better
Well,
music
you
for this
go,
though.
motherfucker.
That's
Oh, GDT's got the smoke going.
Arthur. You gotta
I'll
have
see
your
you
head
guys
on my
next
arm. Literally, my hand's on my keyboard and my dog's head is on my arm. Get off me, buddy.
Is he dancing?
GDT smoking. Ag. Call the fire department.
Did you do anything with go-go?
Did not, because it didn't go.
Gotta get
wanted go to go 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 go, but it did not.
Wake me up before you go.
Care fucked him. Robot watching. He should be watching GDT, his stream catching on fire.
Oh man, I'm having way too much stupid fun.
Come here. Come here.
I hate days like this.
Come here.
I was actually just looking at the stats, and Fridays are, I think, the clear. No, actually, they're not too bad. It's Wednesday that's the real bad day. Here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Pull this up. There we go. Save. Oops. Do it like that. No, why did you do that?
I don't know if I made a little bit on AA.
AA.
Yeah.
Did I make it even smaller?
In and out.
There we go.
Go lunch money. At least not gonna starve today.
What? Why?
Easy
What is the
exercise, so.
crap? Oh, because it's getting the top up here, I guess.
Crazy about.
Oh, because of the time.
But I was being a chicken. And I waited for the drop.
This is becoming way more difficult than I wanted it to be.
I decided I needed the confirmation on, but I would have made a lot
You
more
guys get
sense
the
if
gist.
it
I
didn't.
kind of found you.
Looks heavy.
But Monday and Wednesday are the two lower days. Friday is one of the slower. Thursday seems to be the best, but Tuesday and Friday seem to be on par with each other. For some reason, I thought Wednesday and Friday were switched, but guess not.
I made an additional 20 cents. Yeah, well.
MRIN YOLO long. Real demo. That fake break to the downside does look like a good long up.
Okay. There goes MRIN trying again, huh?
Yeah, had a little fake break.
Told you to get in it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there was two of us in here telling you, MRIN might be a good long for you.
Yeah, still might be.
Oh, you just wait. I'm almost there. I'm gonna give you a real Americana. The OG.
Here's Tim coming to your front door.
Words of encouragement on the way.
Big Jag buys him and sets him up. Before he
Yeah. He stages those.
Yeah, he's been holding on to that for like the last hour, just waiting. Just staring at it over and over again.
Like, when can I post it? Now.
Perfect.
There it goes, there it goes, there it goes.
See ya.
Oh!
Pittman would be over gold if he was letting me trade his account.
Monopoly
Scary.
$.
The scary part is we still have so many shares available on this thing. It's a low float that's rotated, and we have almost 900,000 shares available. Oh, fake break? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Devin's not talking. I wonder if he got in.
I didn't. I got the
BT,
300.
BT,
down.
BT,
Oh, yeah,
BT off the bottom.
It's not really a big move, bro.
Yeah, but it just started taking off. Let me go further.
Like, it's up like 25 cents, bro.
Yeah, I would need that one up near the yesterday's high.
Brah.
Bruh.
Yeah, bruh.
Yeah, bruh.
After this, we're totally gonna go surfing, bruh.
For sure, bruh.
Bruh.
West Coast bitches. Speaking of my West Coast brethren, where the hell's Moore been?
Did I see? He went to the Dipbot Discord.
Oh yeah, was that post from Dipbot the other day or earlier?
Yeah.
Yes,
Was that ones that worked or just alerts?
that's all the trades that they've had
Hey,
Do they ever work?
BT now.
this week.
Yeah, I'm watching BTBT.
All that weight.
Now
for things to
BTBT looks
move.
interesting.
Yes.
I think Moore said he was moving, didn't he?
Yeah, he said he had stuff going on.
Oh, he did say he was moving.
Yeah, and with the girl.
Ooh.
Guess how long they've been together?
An hour.
2 days.
It was either 8 or 9 months.
Moving in with the quote unquote girl.
Yeah, he didn't say he or she. Oh, he did say girlfriend. But that, that you can identify nowadays. So.
2021,
Yeah.
dude. That doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, that's true.
IFMK up.
Yeah, well, he is moving it, living it up.
Yeah, he probably wants to get out of there.
I wanted that jiggle close in the 70s there, but
IFMK down.
I don't like BT.
Did she pee again?
It's a scary
Dollar on the way.
Upstairs?
I just said that for no reason.
David, MRIN looks heavy. LOL.
US doesn't show it up.
Come on,
LOL
Snoop
at
Jiggy Jag.
IFMK.
Give me the trade.
I'm not sure I want to pay attention to this guy.
BT.
It does.
That ain't a trade for me.
Me
It
either.
is?
Rolling on the floor laughing.
MRIN,
the top.
man.
Go long.
Sell high.
MRIN.
Reminder, obey all
849.
chat rules, be respectful, no foul or offensive language, post useful messages, no spam or distracting posts, use lounge for general discussion. Carrot.
LC's
Dollar on the way.
LC's moving up with like no volume right now, but
Dope.
Here I come, Devin. I'm here. Check your living room.
put your glasses on, please.
No. The front of that thing just disappears.
I don't even have to click on Discord to see what that is.
He's practiced this, dude.
Good.
I'm in your living room, bro. Look at me.
That looks just like my living room, too. That's crazy.
Define that. What do you type? Define that.
Yeah, we want to know keywords.
We need the keywords on that one, bro.
In
I don't know
IFMK.
how Naked Guy on Couch gets that, but it's a classic.
Naked guy what?
Classic.
Naked Guy on Couch.
That's what you typed and that's what you got? Oh, that's interesting.
It's one of the options.
You are a pro.
Watching IFMK.
Yeah, no shorts here.
That should be a good short.
Order filled.
What's that?
IFMK.
And you'd never take it anyway. It's under $2.
It's literally what I was waiting for.
$3, actually.
IMNK?
Order filled.
IFMK.
IFMK?
Yes.
Okay.
Order filled.
We don't even have shorts.
I think all these plays today have been that way.
Dude, that wasn't cool. I forget. I hesitated at the halt there and I had
Dollar.
button pressed, and I was like, no, I ain't gonna take it, and then it doesn't halt.
Order filled.
I got it.
You already in it.
$.
That's even less reason for you not to take it at the halt.
I don't like those. Jump in it. It's about to halt. Yeah.
I don't know. In my experience, as long as the Vaughn does not go instantly into a halt, if it does go into a halt, it's not gonna go crazy. Like that's my thought process.
I have flashbacks of Chris. That's all. It just gets me.
Well, that was what did Chris do? Go back and watch that trade. We got into that and it immediately went into a halt.
Yeah.
So it was still in price discovery. This clearly did not do that. Okay. Sorry.
Still scares me. It might not scare you.
No, it does scare me. But oh man, wish I would have took half there. It does scare me, but me and Dave, another thing me and Dave were actually talking about. The reason I don't trade Vons in the afternoon is because I have PTSD with them because of LYV and the countless other ones that have got me.
Yeah, CD, good ticker.
LOL.
Yeah.
That's actually not a ticker anymore. That used to be one, didn't it?
Pretty sure that adds a top tick, yeah, because it was at the halt price. Hell yeah.
Oh, it looks nice.
I was literally waiting for that break that it made, and it just didn't seem like it wanted it. So I finally hit the button, and literally like 2 seconds later, it did it. And I was like, you fucker. But I knew the halt price was right there, so I knew it couldn't get too far away.
Come on, super jaggedy jag. Give me the trade.
And I'm telling you, if you top tick those when they're about to halt and they do not halt, they almost always do this. Like you always get that big flush. That's why I mean, theoretically, that's why I like getting in at the halt price, because if you get in at the halt price, it cannot go any higher unless the halt price jumps. But if it does not halt and you get that huge move down, that's a big F yeah.
Oh, man. I can make your hands clap.
Ah, the fits, huh? I haven't heard that one in a while. That's like one of my kids' favorite songs. They love that song. I need to play that again. It's been a while. I can make your hands clap.
What are we watching, man?
Inflation destroy my account.
Is your account dropping like it's hot?
I just not taking any trades, so I'm losing what, 5%?
Gotcha. Today was the first day I've actually got another goal. God, I don't know.
All the big trades have been none to borrow. Can't even locate. Nothing else really moving, so just watching Tim and Thomas make money again.
Welcome to
IB is
Scene Make
accepting
Love.
applications.
What's that?
I said IB is accepting applications.
Yeah, I've been thinking about it, to be honest.
There's a link down in the description. Get your get your free IVKR stock.
I'd have to learn DOS though. It doesn't look too bad.
DOS is very similar to Lightspeed actually, as far as, well, not necessarily, but like they have hot buttons, they got all the cool stuff.
I think you could just got more customization and better info.
I hated DOS when I first started it, and now I really like it. And then yesterday I was playing around with what is it? IWS, whatever.
TWS, yeah.
And I was like, "Fuck this."
Yeah, dude, TWS is like one of the worst. It is not user friendly.
Okay, but to put an order in is weird.
Yep. Yeah, you have to go through. You have to. It's like a 4-step process to put an order in.
Yeah. I mean, they have those buy buttons now that you can put a bid in and all everything, and then.
Nick.
on the
Good morning,
chart,
man.
and
Sorry to
it's-
hear that. Hopefully you didn't give it all
It's more
back.
advanced.
Hopefully you got some risk management in place.
System put orders in.
Yeah, like Lex said, it happens, man. Hey, could try to cheer you up a little bit, maybe? I see 22 people in here. We're at 10 likes. If we can get to 20 likes, we'll do a giveaway for ISW. Get into the team chat for a whole week. All we gotta do is get the 20 likes. We'll hit that before I go to lunch. We'll give it to 11:30 because I'm gonna get off at 11:30 today because I got a bunch of stuff I have to do. I will be here tonight for the Friday night live stream as well. So make sure you're here for that. Go over the week per usual. If we can get another good trade here, I can't say. Rajesh, thank you for the sub, man. I appreciate it, especially if you're in here. Looking forward to possibly scaling up next week as well, but I'm not too confident I would want to do that unless we get at least 3 out of these 5 days. It's just been so slow this week, and I feel like we're trading really well, just limited opportunities. Limited opportunities, sorry about that.
If you lasted a certain amount of time. But I'm clearly through that period, so I should probably look in elsewhere, to be honest.
The thing is, like, software and all that, like, you get used to it no matter where you're at. And what it really comes down to is Lightspeed keeping you away from making trades? And I feel like the clear answer here is yes. And the fact, I still, like, the fact that you have to locate shares, like, that's one of the best things about IB is either they have them or they don't. And they have a lot. So it's like you never even have to worry about that. You just literally throw it into the monitor. If they have them, you have them. If they don't, they don't. You don't have to worry about, well, can I locate them? How much does it cost to locate them? You know, is it going to be worth it? You know, like those thoughts just don't even cross through your head. It's like, is having like the news on the chart or whatever option, like the little couple features that Lightspeed has that DOS doesn't have, it's like, is that really worth you missing all of these trades? Like that's kind of how I would break it down.
DOS has news.
Yeah, they do, but it's bull. Like, you can get the same news feed, because you have to pay for it, and I think you can actually go to the website of the people that provide it and get it cheaper than DOS does. Yeah, it's kind of stupid, but...
Yeah, but even when you open the monitor, you can read the news there through...
yeah, you can. Yeah, that's true, too. I don't have it up, but yeah, you can do that.
Just get TOS too, and you got the news.
Yeah, they do it for free.
I've got TOS.
Give you news for free.
Yeah. I'm not concerned about the news, to be honest. I do like level 2, but we don't have to argue about it. Set
You
my
can
ways.
buy level 2. It does.
No, yeah. There's nothing wrong with like using level 2. I just think the more experience you get, the more you'll realize you don't need it. That's always my take on it. I used level 2 when I first started. I used time and sales when I first started. I used all that stuff. But eventually you start to see that stuff in the chart. Like the more and more you trade. Yeah.
You can see where there's resistance. You can see where there's support by the way the price behaves.
Yeah, I think with level 2, it's a little easier to read the time and sales and see things.
I agree.
I don't like reading level 1.
You're not reading level 1.
Well, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
We've discussed it, Tim. I vividly remember having the conversation. I get what you're saying. They're analogous, right? Like all the information I can get from level 2, you can get from the chart. I do think it's a little bit more granularized. Whether or not that's helpful in kind of the way that you trade and the way that I'm trying to trade, you're probably right. It's probably not that helpful.
And I totally agree with you. Yeah, no, it is. That's actually a really good word for it. And there's nothing wrong with it. I encourage people to use a level 2 in time and sales when they're first starting because it allows you to see what I'm seeing easier. Like if you David really humbled me last night because he was like, I don't think you realize how many little things within your strategy that you've perfected for yourself that you don't understand other people don't understand. And I was like, because he's like, it'd be hard to teach what you do. And I'm like, what are you talking about? I was like, I literally wait for a fast move. I wait for the jiggle and I get in. And then he like started asking me all these other questions. And I'm like, okay. And so I would answer it. And then he'd ask me another question and then another and another. And I'm like, as I'm answering them, I had answers to them. But he's like, do you see my point? And I'm like, oh, yeah, I kind of do now. Like it really kind of humbled me to see how much actually goes into it that you don't even realize it. It's just things that experience, that's the big word that everyone, doesn't understand. When you're first starting, you have no experience. So if you come in and just watch somebody with experience, they're going to make it look a lot easier than it really is.
That's what I was just about to say. It's like we live in that era of watching experts do things and thinking, oh, this looks way too easy. And then you get in and you do it. And you're just blown away by the complexity that you're not picking up.
And that always brings me back to the Dunning-Kruger effect. Hopefully you know what that is. If not, I will show you a picture.
Yeah, it's the curve between confidence and expertise or something like that.
Yep. Bangkok. The clear answer for me is yes, relight speed missing trades. BLIN is up. Did I type that right? Yeah. Only 82K to borrow.
82K TB.
Speaking of which, it's a 5 mil float.
Yeah, but Colin, you have a way better access to shorts than we do.
5M float, almost 50% rotated.
Versus CMEG?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, CMEG is just a very general starting place. But
Seems like fun.
I feel like I'm very much proof that you still can do it, though. Is this about the halt? No. It was like stuck at 89 there. I just hate the volume. I hate when you get this close to the next key area, which is 7. Love to see this blast through 7. That's what I'm looking for.
When you hit house money, you just throw shares.
Yep. House money, I'd already be in it for sure. and then it quote unquote just works. And that's the huge difference between someone like me and Brian, is that's what he's doing. Like, he's already in this 100%, where I'm sitting here waiting for a much better entry, much more patient with the entries.
Yeah, as David is.
And it goes over 7, he just smacks it.
Yep. Where that'll be my first entry.
It's probably a lot easier in a bear market.
And that's if it gets there, because I mean, I get there and then you'll never get it, and he'll make money.
Yep. And it happens all the time. But that's the advantage of having an account where you can just do stuff like that. I was talking to him about that last night. I mean, you can do what he does with a smaller account, but you have to be okay with making next to nothing on a lot of the trades. And that's the problem, is all of those trades, if you were trading them kind of like I do, you're making a decent amount with, when you get the good entries that you're looking for every trade. Where if you're always just throwing shares at anything that moves and that first entry just works, you're making like what was it, 75? You're making 1/75th of what your max loss is. So you would have to have 75 of those trades that were single entry that just work to make up for if one of these goes against you and you end up adding as it keeps going and you hit max loss. Like that doesn't sit well with me like at all. But that was the math that we came up with last night. Yeah, Bangkok. TradeStation's nice. I really like the trading matrix. I actually thought that was really cool. When I see Jared using that, I really like the idea of it. But I heard their short availability is absolutely wretched. Blinn, I am not liking this anymore, unless it does shoot through 7. It is way too consolidating here for me. Hopefully it just works, because I know Brian's in it. It's also down to 69,000 shares available, which is actually kind of interesting. It did not go down as quick as I thought it would. Let me catch up in the chat here a while. Yeah, I figured. It went up 1,000 shares. That's how many shares he took. I'm just kidding. Start fresh Monday. Yeah, I gave back a little more than half of last week's gains. You're still green. Yep, still end up green on the month. Good, good, good. Can you please comment on team? Huge gap up. Is it going to last? Ooh. What is team? Is this like Teamster? Like the union? I don't even know what this is. It's a huge company. Atlassian Core. I have no idea what that is. If I had to guess, like, I mean, if I'm just trading from a volatility standpoint, this looks like a buyout almost. Is this a buyout? If it's not, the odds are you're going to get some kind of a pullback on such a big move up. But, I mean, you never know.
Make something like Blend, because I mean, you have that dollar. Do you still do that dollar
getting
add-in?
kind of thin. Working out of it.
You go over 7.
Go, 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 go. More. 7, like 17, please. It's just not what I was looking for. Yeah, I'm definitely looking for the 710 pop. I mean, again, it kind of, now we're looking. So I'm trying to let you dive into my head a little bit here since it's kind of slow. But we tried the 690 area a bunch of times. So to me, that's the new previous resistance, especially because it's starting to kind of look grindy. So that's why if you redraw the line, because before the line was all the way down here at 629, But now to me the line's at 693, so I would want to see an extension through the 693 area, and for me that was at least around 720 for a starter. Because then now you're taking two things. You're taking an extension away from previous resistance, and you're taking an entry on the north side of one of those key areas, which is $half, whole dollar. So the odds are you're going to get a retest of those areas. So you want to get an entry as far away from those areas as possible. But unfortunately, that's not what happened. Now we're just coming right back down and retesting that previous resistance. Now the 9's catching up to it, and now it's starting to look a little grindy. And the float is now 60% rotated. Shares actually went up as far as availability to borrow, which is interesting.
Go IFMK out all.
Yes. Stock popped up. Ticker. What did you want to do for lunch?
Blin will run out of borrows in it.
Hey guys.
Hey, you guys.
What happened to Go-Go? Why are my charts not loading?
I'm getting lag on DAS.
Yeah, dude. I'm getting some bad lag on DAS.
Price is updating, but the candles aren't.
Yep. Same. Like I keep I'll go into a chart and there'll be like gaps.
AXL
and I'm
out
like,
all.
what is this big gap here? What is
It's been doing that for a little, like the last 15 or so months.
Yeah.
For a while. So I was like, how's there a gap up like that? I was like, oh.
So Tim, you picked a winner? You announcing tonight?
I am not.
What?
But I might.
I see what you're doing here.
That was a ploy to get you to tune in.
I didn't even put my entry in.
You know what sucks is Friday nights are tough for me because I've got these dudes I used to work with that we all play Warzone. It's like date night for the old boys. But I have been wanting to heckle you poker.
Well, you know where I'll be. We had I think, was it 4 or 5 people last week? I figured eventually we'll get I usually start pretty quick now because like I'll go through the week and talk about the trades from the week and like just what the future outlook kind of stuff, and then I've just been jumping right into some poker with beer.
It's like 6 Eastern time?
No, 9. 9's when I start. Yeah, I wait for the kids to go to bed. Yeah.
Groggy on Friday nights. Been that way my whole life almost.
Catch back up with you guys real quick. I just started trading in January. I didn't want to use Robinhood or that. Yes, the person told me about DOS. I'm glad I found it, and your vids are really helped. Yeah, no problem, Lex. That's why I made them, because I know DOS can be a little bit fun to learn. That was sarcasm. But once you get it, it's really nice.
This is frustrating.
You don't mind, Tim, you realize it's around $29, or is it $29? Yeah, it's just $29. I wish it was $2,900. We're actually currently scaling up, Francis. Yeah, for anybody that's kind of new to the channel, my year to date, you can see what my year to date is. Where are we at? Actually, I can update it for with today's trades, but we're up 23-13 on the year. But before this year, I was not very consistent. So we were concentrating on getting consistency. And as we started to find it through the beginning of the year, we started to scale up. And right now we're aiming for $50 a day. The saying is, if you can't make $50 a day, you can't make $500 a day, you can't make $5,000 a day. So why not just start at $50? If you can make that $50 a day consistently, then you can start to scale it. So I actually started at 30. We were making 30 consistently, went to 40. We were making 40 consistently, so I went to 50, and now we're trying to do 50. And then from 50, I'm going to do every $25. So if I have a week where I average the $50 a day, which would be $250 at the end of the week, I will then scale up to 75. And then when I do the 75 times 5, I will do 100. And then once I do the 100 times 5, I'll do, or the average. So it would be an average of $500. So like one day I might make, like right now I can make 40, and then the next day make 60, and it evens itself out kind of thing. So we're going to do that all the way up to $200 a day. And when we get to $200 a day, we're going to make it per month. So I want to average that $200 per month at that point.
The easy part is when they first show up.
For you.
You just poop.
Feed them every couple hours.
Nah, you don't gotta feed them.
You don't gotta feed babies.
So we got 27 people in here, guys. Hit that like button. If we get to 20, I will do a giveaway for ISW for a week. Come into the team chat with us for a whole week. All you gotta do is hit that like button, and we will do it. Unfortunately, we did not get Blinn here.
I was kind of hesitant, and I really wanted it to do 7. Could have started it before and ran it all the way up to 760
or 780, yeah.
Yeah, I would have started it 690.
Oh, we got close. Is that 18 or is it 19? Because on my side, it's always a couple short, or one short.
I got you.
Let me see.
I didn't realize you didn't have a ton of shares available.
Yeah, it says 19. So I guess we just need one more. Needs to say 19 on my end.
Talking about, I feel me, him, and GDT trade very similar, and all of a sudden, like David's just throwing stuff out there. He's trading more like me, which I feel I can't do.
DOLE. Is that Dole? Is that like Dole pineapple?
So IFMK.
No, that's a new IPO.
I know. But what is it? Oh, it is. Yeah. It is Dole pineapple, bro.
I thought it wasn't, and then I just looked it up, and I was like, "Oh, it's food."
Oh, that's good. Weird that they don't already have a stock. It's also weird that it's a Dublin-based company.
For doubting you.
I was just curious because I'm like, Dole. What else could that be?
Yeah, I don't remember what I saw last night that I was like, "Oh, that's not Dole."
MRINF, yeah.
God, that's been around like since before I was alive. I can't believe they haven't just IPO'd.
Herod.
All right, we got there. Cool.
Never wanted to be public.
Let me make sure it's cool with B real quick. If not,
That's a pretty big company. Started in 1927.
TKAT Gagago.
T-Cat, what's T-Cat doing? Yeah, DOS is kind of laggy, huh? 100K. Shares there.
100 KTB there.
9 mil float.
That is so weird.
Off the bottom on the daily.
Well, I went to the
Daily
gold
poop
foundation in Hawaii and
I love when it says that. Poop,
but
poop.
then it says they're actually a Dublin.
All right, so if you guys want to partake in the ISW giveaway team for a week that we're going to be giving away for you guys getting the 20 likes here on the stream, I appreciate that very much. Type the number 1 into the chat. The number 1 into the chat if you want to enter for the team ISW for a week. This will be for next week. If you do win, all you have to do is go to my Discord, which is down in the description, and message me, and we'll get that going. So we'll I'll keep saying it until 11:30, and we'll do the giveaway at 11:30. So if you're here and you want to partake in the ISW for a week giveaway, all you have to do is type 1 into the chat. Watching T-Cat. T-Cat, TKAT. Like a bigger push through 7 there. It's not really Vaughn. It kind of built up to this. It was just a breakout through yesterday's highs, it looks like. 675.
Yeah, Ireland is a tax haven. That's probably why.
Blend's trying to go again, too. Probably going to stay away from Blend, though.
You and me both, broski.
That's a little too much weird consolidation, plus the shares available. This one could get a little crazy. Yeah, it's about to rotate its float as well. Probably at the end of this or next candle. For anyone following along as well, our new resistance would be 7, what is this, 14? Yep, 714.
I need glasses so desperately bad. I'm gonna go buy some today.
So now we would be looking for extension away from this.
Because I can see, but like every once in a while I'll look at something and I'm like, is that a 5 or a 6? I'm like,
Dude,
oh.
I remember Devin telling me that he was going to move and sell his house like when we first met.
I did it.
8 years later.
Blend 53 KTB
It's only
showing.
been like 3
You're in
years.
IB since February.
And I'm doing it.
Yes, sir. See, he just has to get the plan set in motion.
I do it. It just takes me a little time to get ready for it.
Is my chat?
When I started to have to wear glasses to read, it took me. I fought it. I wasn't physically fighting it. I just didn't want to. Like,
yeah, I'm just like in denial. Like I don't need them. I can still see.
I'm not really.
Sad miss there. Wanted more out of it. It was a good pop through 7, but I was looking for that 720 at least. Anybody in the stream, is the chat moving for you guys? Like, did anyone type the number 1, or is Lex saying exactly the last thing you see?
Exactly the last thing. You want me to type a 1 and see if it works?
No. You can type something. Don't type a 1. I told people to type the number 1 for the giveaway, but no one typed a 1, so I was just confused. Virginia. All right.
Put that extra I in there.
I was just curious. I told everyone if they wanted to do a giveaway for a week of Team ISW, we just had to get the 20 likes, and we got there. But then nobody typed the number 1. I was like, all right. Hey, we got 1. There's Francis. Look at Blend. This thing's a little crazy.
47K.
Man, Blend would look real nice at 770, but shares are running out.
38K.
What happens if we get 20 dislikes?
20 dislikes? I'm not sure. I'd probably just end the stream and never do it again.
It's rage quit. Oh man, can we get 20?
Look at the upvotes go
How
down.
many do we have in here? 2, 4, 6.
Man, you guys really don't want me to stream again, huh? Oh no, look at him go. All right, no giveaway.
Oh.
Did
I win? I put 1 and 1.5, so I feel like I'm better than the others.
You guys are so mean.
Devin somehow got 2 dislikes in there.
Did I?
Devin's special. All right, let's see if I can put this wheel.
Look, and they just disappear. What devotion.
Let's see if I can get this wheel down into there we go. Is it working?
Oh, I see a wheel. I see a wheel. What's the wheel?
That's the giveaway.
Click it.
I gotta put the names in first.
What you watching?
All right, so Francis.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, DT won a week and the awesomeness award.
Won twice
That
in one night.
yeah, it was crazy.
I don't know. That Monday I started in this room.
Yeah.
Just a wheel with your name on it? So it is going to be random.
This is yeah.
Yeah, this is not the giveaway, is it?
Oh, this is just a random giveaway I'm doing because the morning stream got to 20 likes. That's all.
Since they couldn't put me in to win. Give it to somebody that needs it.
Oh wait, David. I don't want to spell your name wrong. I'm gonna pronounce it wrong if you win. Hey show? Did I say that right? Nick, I'm just gonna put Nick. All right, 30 more seconds here. Brad, you want in here? Here we go. If you guys want to enter into the giveaway here for 1 week of Team ISW, just type a 1 into chat. I'll give it another minute here. We'll go at 31.
According to Wikipedia, it is an Irish company, and their headquarters are actually in California.
Yeah, I did just delete your name, David.
That's what Wikipedia says.
Like, yeah, we're actually from a tax haven country, but we're at our headquarters in Cali.
T-Cat back up.
The highest taxes you could possibly pick for business.
Right. Well, that makes me want to short them. Right. They're obviously not too smart.
Brad, you don't want to? All right. Hey, it's better odds for everyone else.
Facebook put their headquarters in Ireland or something like that. One of the big ones did. Social media places.
Just like, Colin, am I keeping you in this? You actually want to be in it?
Yeah, are you gonna wait
Yeah.
till like 9:35 to do it?
No, I'm gonna do it here in like 20 seconds.
Yeah, I'll stick around.
It's 10:30.
No, it's 11:30.
It is 8:30.
When are we gonna get rid of time zones? Like seriously.
Yeah, everyone literally should just live off of EST. It's like the most practical one.
I don't care which one it is. Let's just have one.
Yeah, I agree. It should be the, what is it? The what do they call the one? Greenwich?
Greenwich time.
EDT.
Yeah, like that's the one that everyone goes off of. Like, why don't we all just go off of that? Like, we would just like, yeah.
Companies in Ireland, Airbnb, Twitter, Microsoft, Indeed. Done.
But that's the thing. It's like, why not have everyone go off that time? Like, you would just adjust, be like, okay, so 8 o'clock at night now is now the morning. Like, it's the old morning. But who cares? Like, you would get used to it. But then everyone would know what time it is.
Just do math.
All right. Here we go. We got Francis M. We got Nick. We got, I'm going to say it's Haishio. Haishio. It can't be Haishio because there's no I after the T. I'm just going with Haishio. So you can tell me if I'm wrong. And Colin. So you got a 25% win week in Team ISW. I appreciate y'all hitting the like button. I appreciate y'all being here. I'm not leaving right after this. I'm going to actually go start making some lunch. Still looking for some trades. But here we go. Here's for a free week of Team ISW. Good luck to you guys. Yashkaba. Not sure what that means. Looks like Francis M. You are the winner. Sir, all you have to do is contact me on Discord. And you will get your free week of Discord.
You suck.
I know, dude.
Can't even win with a 25% chance. Jeez. You should probably just not ever play the lottery or anything, ever.
You should probably
Luckily. Broke.
Jag! What the fuck?
Commit freaking suicide.
Alright, you know what? I think they both needed that.
Trip trash LOL. Let's go 65.
Yeah, Francis. Just hit me up in Discord, man. Find me in there.
Earnings FYI.
And we will
Yeah, they could probably talk to each other.
How rude.
That was mean.
you're gonna say putting you in timeout was rude. Dare I ask you if you understand why you went into timeout?
I don't get it. I don't get it.
I didn't even hear the comment.
Well, good. No repeating of the comment. My mommy said that was rude when you say that. Watching Trib. T-R-I-B.
5 days later, my chart loads.
And I was just so low on that.
Yeah, it needs a lot more. The worst part is that 266 is where I would have wanted it, but at the same time, it's too slow at that point.
All right, I gotta get off this page. Apparently, their Dole Banana has a nickname. It's called Bobby Banana.
I like that you're still looking at this page.
This is boredom, man.
5 days later, you're like, so you know what else I learned about Dole?
That's all right. I'll forget it all in 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Timber.
IMR.
Timber. A lot of cheapo stocks trying to make a little push. That was through $1. That's why it's gone. Ah, Nick. You're good, man. You're good. It's all, trust me, man. A lot of stuff in trading is all in your head. I was just telling David last night, if you would have told me in just the end of December, like Christmas, New Year's time, that my P&L curve so far this year would look the way that it does, I would have called you a effing liar. I would have been like, stop lying to my face. Like, I would be like, stop telling me what I want to hear because it's false. But here I am.
EMI? Yeah. I got no shorts. And that's up like 10 cents.
Hey guys, semi. Move of the day. Move of the day. Semi, guys. Semi.
Everybody long.
JK, JK.
We're playing games with my heart.
Oh, boring.
Yeah, dude, it's bad. I got up over gold though, so boom, suck it.
Hey, what did he win, Tim? 5% off Outback Steakhouse?
Cruise brochure.
A timeshare appointment?
Yeah. To show up and win a free toaster.
I did sit through a timeshare to get a free cruise, and I would never do it again. But I did get the free cruise.
My dad took us like 4 or 5 times those stupid things.
I didn't buy shit, and I walked out of there with the cruise.
CTHI 99KTB.
They were brutal, though. Those people were brutal.
Big asterisk.
I remember I drove to this dealership that was like 30 minutes away when I was like 18, because they were giving away like 10,000 points to this like kind of like a Wish store. Like you could just get all these things, and you could load up. Like there's great things in there. Probably thought they were good, and then once you tried to like order it, the shipping costs were like the prices of all of them.
Was this Finger Hut?
It was like a boom box, you know. Oh, take 100 tickets, and then you go to like the shipping cost is like $45. And you're like, oh, okay.
I got a cruise with airfare. All I had to pay was taxes. I think I paid like $300 for us to go on a cruise to the Bahamas, so it was worth it. In a way.
5-hour timeshare appointment thing.
It was about 5-6 hours of my time. And I had to freaking, I was so mean to these people. I'm like, look, I am not buying a timeshare. I just want my free cruise. And the guy's like, well, I have to get my manager for that. The manager would come over. I'm like, I am not buying a timeshare. Just give me my cruise.
It's like those old school vacuum salesmen that come to your house and they wouldn't leave.
I literally bought one and then returned it like a week later. Because there was like a 5 days money back thing, and I was like, I want my money back. It's hilarious that was a real thing back in our day. Vacuum salespeople.
Yeah.
Right.
I freaking bought one too. I was like
$1,000 vacuum too.
Yes, dude, I bought it. And I was like, this is amazing. And then I was like, this is stupid. I was like, this was a bad buy. This was a bad buy.
My parents bought one from Hoover that came to the house.
That's funny.
I just recently brought it home to my house. I love it. Except it weighs 10,000 pounds.
Like all steel parts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All still perfectly works. Nothing's broken on it.
She's
My box called the box roll accessories.
That's funny.
Is semi going to be the move of the day or what?
It could be if it keeps going. I mean, looking at the daily, this thing can move.
It just got through kind of. I don't know. It still needs a ways, doesn't it? 310. Where are you looking, Tim?
A little higher.
$7.50.
Yeah, $7.50.
No, definitely like 330s on this candle.
He's like, this hits 750
Daily
on this
absolute
candle.
trash.
I'm in.
Yeah, like David just said, look at the daily, the hourly, whatever you want to look at. It's poo poo.
Yeah, it does kind of pop, doesn't it?
That's why I threw out that 750.
Yeah. I'm looking at the hour. If you look at the hourly and you look at in June, like beginning of June, there's a lot of resistance there around that 330, 350 area. So that's why I would be looking there.
Extend through that, right?
No, not necessarily. Like that's what I'm saying. If this candle, like if we were to get that FOMO pop now to that area, yeah, it's a double top, but it's not a double top of recent proportions. I'm just because I don't typically use the daily or the hourly as something like as points of resistance, like to enter a trade, but I do always kind of just glance at it to see where possible areas of resistance may be. That's why I'll draw those lines every once in a while, just so that they're there, so I don't forget about them.
HPI is about to run.
I guess I got in it at the wrong time before.
HPI.
Yeah.
I think she's gonna get slammed down pretty hard though. I'm not taking that, dude. What time is it? 8:42. It's almost break time. It's like a decent morning, and now it's like just kind of crickets. Thank you, Jag. Or DT. Sorry. This market.
What was the chart? IFMK. I had already forgot about it. Sorry, me and Brian are having a discussion in the team chat here.
Yeah, dude. I'm gonna take my break.
Liar.
Luck. Alright, I'll be back in like 40 minutes or so.
Can't wait for the day when it says he takes a break and then he posts his like 5 charts. I miss those.
I can't wait for that day either, bro. It's been a minute. I miss those days.
Alright,
It's
guys,
been like
here's my chart.
been months. Yeah, it's been months since I've had that action though. Where I go to take my break and something starts taking off. I'm like, oh wait.
Of course, before your scanners were right there in the living room, weren't they?
Yeah. Let's see. I got the headphones. I could just keep them with me. Go lay on the couch with headphones on. Is that rude?
Uncomfortable.
Alright, dude. I'll see you guys later.
Later, Colin.
Let's see if I
Good
can check
weekend.
out the stream.
Yep.
Thanks for being you.
I do love how we've legit just formed our own vocabulary.
Yeah, it's cute.
I think even Devin was just like Vaughn. I was like, oh yeah, sorry. I keep forgetting that we keep forming our own vocabulary in there.
No, I got what it was. It was Steve that didn't figure that one out.
Guess he didn't leave.
Not yet.
Why would he take his headphones with him?
Yeah. Now we're gonna hear him
Just
snore. Hey Tim, how much experience do you have on external monitors on laptops?
USB.
No. I didn't ask what not to buy.
Stay away from USB.
Yeah. I mean, Devin has USB, I think, and it works. Don't you?
I'm actually not using a USB monitor now.
No. I use one.
Mr. Funk, thank you for the sub, man.
I'm using HDMI.
Nick, what'd you say? I'm so excited. This was my first profit a month. I'm excited for the future. Yeah, that's exactly. You got to step back and look at it that way. Well, as far as laptop monitors, I do not have that much experience.
Because neither do I. This is the first time I've had external on a laptop.
Yeah, I mean, the only thing I literally said USB because I know that that's the most common port you'll have to use. But if you do have HDMI or DisplayPort or something like that, obviously I would go that route.
Yeah, I both. I'm just.
Yeah.
screen flickers on and off every once in a while.
That's weird. I mean, USB is not made for that, where HDMI and DisplayPort are. So
this is HDMI. I think it's the issue with the graphics card on the laptop because it's not a super powerful. It's just Intel power. What's that?
Probably one of those 1970 cables you dug out the box.
No, I actually had to buy a new cable because HDMI to mini because it actually comes with the cord. No, I was just trying to figure out if I have an issue with the monitor or the laptop. No, Thomas, I actually threw all those out finally.
Any 18KTB. Pass. Yeah.
I think at that point, Bangkok, I would just buy a desktop.
Anybody got any questions, comments, concerns? Again, don't forget about the Friday night live stream tonight. Every Friday night we go over our week in review. We'll go over kind of like what it looks like in the future for us. And then we also, after that's all said and done, we like to play some poker and have a couple beers. So if you're interested in that, feel free to stop by. We start that at 9 o'clock Eastern. And yeah, it's always good fun. I used to give away a free week of ISW on the Friday night live streams as well, but I don't know if it's just because it's summer, but the Friday night live streams have died down a little bit recently, so we haven't really had enough people to warranty that. What was I about to do? Oh yeah, enter the trades from today real quick so I can update the chart. All right, updating that. There we go. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. Do you have a video on ISW set up? I do. I do. Here, let me give you the link to that. So it's a good overview, and even at the end, you'll see me use it live. I really need. I say this a lot, but I really need to remake this video. But it's still a really good video to kind of get your feet wet with it. So that video is there in the chat if anybody's interested in watching it. But I kind of just give a brief overview of the whole scanner interface, and then at the end I also give the some examples. Yeah, okay. Sorry, I'm just kind of getting back. What Bangkok posted, that's actually not a bad idea. It's because that's what my wife uses, and those are really nice.
They're pretty expensive though, huh?
They can be, yeah, depending on what you get.
But that one's only 160 bucks.
Yeah, I was gonna say they range from like 100 to 200, depending on like, because it depends on the features, how many ports you need. Because like a triple dock, you probably don't need, do you? So like you can get one that's like a single or double for a lot cheaper.
Question is,
Yep.
that runs off your graphics card of your laptop, right?
Yes. But you close your laptop. I'm pretty sure that's designed so it would clone your screen. So you would close your laptop. So like you would need a screen to replace the laptop screen, and then if you also want an extra screen, you would need that as well. So you wouldn't be like running the laptop and the screens. But I'm pretty sure you can. I'm just saying that way you're taking stress off of the laptop's graphics card, I guess, is what I'm trying to say.
Can't be that much better. I'm running 2 monitors right now on my Surface Pro.
Well, there you go. U1, Von.
UONE Von.
UONE, off the bottom as well, off the daily. Really like some more. Pretty good extension, pretty nice pop, but yeah, these Vons, they're tricky. That's why I always get a little picky with them, especially around lunchtime. Starting to get spready.
UONE 7.60s. LOL, dollar on web.
Yeah, I mean, like U1, that's a perfect example. You know, where he'll just throw some money at it and it just works and is what it is. Now, I mean, if that goes to 750, I'm starting it. Or even probably like just through 740. But volume out of nowhere and stuff like that, I don't mess with it on that first candle either, so. And that was when it made its move. Yeah, my brother just sent me this. I watched it on Reddit yesterday. But here, you guys can watch. This is in Baltimore. It's pretty funny. All right, guys, I'm actually going to get out of here on the stream. I appreciate y'all being here. I will be live tonight, 9 o'clock Eastern. I will also be back for the morning stream like I am every single morning on Monday morning. So if you can't make the live stream, I will see you Monday morning. I appreciate y'all being here. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you get the notifications every time we go live and post a new video. I'll be posting the recap for the trades today a little bit later. I have to run to the store with the wife. And that's all I got. I will see you guys either tonight or Monday morning. Peace. I screwed that up. I know. My mouse was right on the chart. I know I did it. All right. Peace.